Meaning of fed up.
Fed up.
Fed up.
Fed up.
Fed up. Fed up is a colloquial phrase commonly used to express frustration or annoyance with a situation or person. It can also indicate a sense of weariness or exhaustion due to prolonged exposure to a particular issue or problem. When someone says they are fed up, they typically mean they have reached a breaking point and are no longer willing to tolerate the situation or person in question. This may result in changes being made, such as ending a relationship, leaving a job, or seeking solutions to resolve the issue causing the frustration.